and welcome to my channel Feel Good Within. This is Priyanka Nagpal over here, and this video is all about how to make friends when you work from home. When we work from home, it's the best thing, right? It's the best thing can happen. Like, we have time, we can get up whenever we want to, and we can do our work whenever we want to. So it's the best thing. However, you might feel lonely when you work from home. You might feel lonely because when you work in office, or if you have worked from office before, or if you do a job, then you have a lot of friends. You go to office, you have a lot of friends, and when you start working from home, actually, like, you cut out from everyone and you work alone at home. And then you feel a bit lonely as well. So this thing happened like 2 years before, when I started my clothing line. I was working from home, and though everything was great, but I used to feel a bit lonely because I had no friends at that time. And then I started YouTube channel, and I started making new friends who were like-minded. And it's good to have online friends, but I think you need physical friends as well, and you need physical connection as well, right? So what I can say is that first thing is that, like, if you work from home, it's very, very important that first thing is that you can go ahead and join gym. Because if you will go ahead and join gym, you will go ahead and do workout as well, and you will have great body, but then you will also make interesting friends as well who are also like you. So I used to go to gym earlier, but then 1 year before, I realized that gymming is not my passion. Because honestly, like, my brother, he do gym for 2 to 3 hours. My sister also do like for 2 to 3 hour workout. But I'm not that kind of person that I'll do 2 to 3 hour workout. Okay, and so I do normally like 45 minutes to 1 hour that I used to do. So 1 year back, I realized that I truly love dancing. So I started dancing. And so second thing which I can say is that you can go ahead and if you don't like going to gym, you can go ahead and join yoga, dance, whatever you like. Because see, it will be good for, of course it's good for physical fitness, but also like it's good for mental fitness as well, and you will make new friends as well, so you won't feel lonely or something. No matter if you're an entrepreneur or if you're a student, you need to communicate with people physically as well, and we need to go ahead and exchange the energy. It's important for us, right? And when you go out, you feel more good. Like, when you work from home, then you feel a bit uneasy as well. Like, if you entire day you work in a home, right? So you need to go out, so when you go to a dance class, you meet a lot of people, then it's going to affect your life. So you can make a lot of friends as well over there. And guys, I go to dance class, so a lot of youngsters are there, mostly from school or college. So yeah, I truly enjoy their company. And third thing which I can say is that, or either you can go to park as well, get to know a lot of people there as well, who also come to park regularly, and especially lots of kids are there. So I love playing with kids. So yeah, so you can make friends in the park as well. So if you have kids, you can also take them to the park. So I think it's important for us to go ahead and walk in nature, and because that raises the vibration as well, and there you can go ahead and make friends as well. Fourth thing is that you can go ahead and make friends online as well. Okay, so there are many like-minded people who are online, so you can follow, like, if you are entrepreneur, you can follow great entrepreneurs, or if you are into bodybuilding or dancing, you can follow who are good dancers, and maybe you will make great friends too. And fifth thing I want to tell you is that don't feel shy, to be the first one to say hi, hello, okay, or how are you, because sometimes the other person might not say anything because he might be shy, or she might be shy. So you can be the first one to introduce yourself. That's what I want to say. all from my side. I share from my experiences how to make friends if you work from home. You guys can also share your experiences as well, because we all need each other, right? I hope you truly love my video. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.